Hello everyone, this is Selena Jetli and I hope that all the viewers of ABN TV are in the best of health and spirits. I am here today to share my story of the lockdown with all of you. I am in Austria and I live here with my husband and my three children. I have twin boys who are 8 years old and a 2-year-old son. And just like all of you, I am also having a difficult time when it comes to being at home during the lockdown with three small children. But I am here to cheer you all up, and it does get better. Unfortunately, that the whole world is going through this terrible, terrible lockdown thanks to the pandemic caused by virus of COVID-19. This is a time, I think, which makes us all realize that how many things in life we take for granted. Um, I think we should listen to what our governments have to say. We should definitely follow the rules of staying home, staying safe. Wash your hands 10 to 15 times a day. Take at least a minute to rub soap back and forth on your hands. And if you don't know how much should you rub your hands together while washing it, try to think to sing happy birthday twice while rubbing your hands with soap, and that is the amount of time which it takes to kill the virus, is what I have heard. So here is a small piece of advice for you. It is not easy with children at home, especially when you have more than one child. I have three boys and I know how difficult it can get for mothers. I think mothers and fathers should work together for keeping the children entertained and busy, and take the responsibility equally. It is very important to do that. Maybe 2 hours the mother can take the responsibility, 2 hours the father can take the responsibility, and I think the stress levels for both the parents are less. Secondly, I would like to also advise all of you that this is a time for great introspection in life, to think about what we should do to make our lives and our health much better. Do not give up on your personal diet and fitness. If you can, do yoga at home. If you have access to weights, do weights at home. It is very important to build your muscle type. So continue to do things that increase your immunity, whether it is with exercising or with eating good food. It is very important for us to use this time not to complain and sit at home doing nothing. I think this is a great opportunity for all of us to rediscover things that we have been putting aside for a very long time. So if you have a hobby, try to follow it. If you play the guitar, play the guitar. You've been wanting to read a book for very long, read a book. If you want to create a new dish, do that. But I think you should also use this time to find a great opportunity to declutter your life. And by decluttering, I mean that clean your houses, organize your cupboards, organize your kitchen, do some deep cleaning. This is a great opportunity for us to do and fulfill all those tasks which have been pending due to our daily responsibilities of going to work, traveling, and children, and other things which are related to life. So this is a great opportunity to declutter your houses, to do some deep cleaning, and if you have a little bit of extra of something, give to the underprivileged. This is a time when they need most of your help, so definitely do that. And as for me, I love spending time with my children here, and I live on the top of the Alps. My house is in the alpine part of Austria, so it is definitely a little bit easy for me, because I can take my children out into the forest and into the gardens for a walk once in a while. We definitely do that here. But if you can't do that there, it is completely okay. You can think of some games to play in the house. Monopoly, Pictionary are some nice games. Ludo, card games. Definitely these things can keep children busy. You can give them tasks to organize their rooms, to redecorate their rooms, reorganize their rooms. And if you have a little bit of extra of something, give to the underprivileged. This is a time when they need most of your help. So definitely do that. And as for me, I love spending time with my children here, and I live on the top of the Alps. My house is in the Alpine part of Austria, so it is definitely a little bit easy for me, because I can take my children out into the forest and into the gardens for a walk once in a while. We definitely do that here. But if you can't do that there, it is completely okay. You can think of some games to play in the house. Monopoly, Pictionary are some nice games. Ludo, card games. Definitely these things can keep children busy. You can give them tasks to organize their rooms, to redecorate their rooms, reorganize their rooms, put their clothes nicely, put their toys nicely, and make a sort of a big occasion for the family to come together to do this. So these are the few things that I can advise that you can do in your houses. And it is very, very important to keep a positive mindset. So if you are living alone, this is the time that do pick up the phone and call a friend if you're feeling lonely, and talk to them, or a loved one. For people living alone, I would also advise, this is a great time to pursue a hobby. This is a great time to read that book that you've been putting off for a long time. And this is a great time to think about how you want your life to turn out to be. A time for great introspection. I really would like to ask you all to follow the government guidelines. It is very, very important in these times that we listen to the government. The COVID virus is a dangerous and deadly virus, and this can be life-threatening. This can be very, very contagious. So please do listen to the government and stay home, stay safe. It is very important that we do that. In these difficult times, we all need to stick together as Indians, respect one another, and think of all the wonderful things that you can do for those who are underprivileged. So thank you all for listening to me. And this is Selina Jetli. It was wonderful talking to you. Bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe.